Hey guys, Proving TV is back here with another video, and today guys I'll be reacting to a Rainbow Charizard pull. And guys, this video might be cringy a little bit, so yeah, let's deal with it.
Yeah guys, I was filming a video and it didn't work.
He just dropped the camera. Does he even have a tripod on?
Stop doing that. And then
Okay, his table is first of all a mess.
A freaking Rainbow Rare GX Charizard.
If you guys didn't know, that card's like one of the rarest cards you can find today, and he has not even sleeved it up, and he's touching his bare fingers.
It's so rare. And I've also pulled a Crasher.
And he has lots of cards.
And I pulled a lot more cards like Hoopa and stuff. And yeah, now I'm on to the last booster. So yeah, I'm sorry that you can
Booster pack.
see the last one, but I just thought it was gonna be cool to show you that. So yeah, here's the last one of the booster packs I got. Come on, luck. Here we go.
Okay guys, first I did card trick wrong, and also he just shuffled the cards up, so doesn't really make any sense.
Energy. This guy, Judge, Azzo. All these
This guy, who's this guy?
guys. Yes.
Well, that's half the cards are named Yes, so okay, I need to open that pack now, because there's probably a new Pokemon named Yes.
Execute. This is a cool card. And then this guy. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today, but I freaking pulled
Again.
these two cards, so
He just dropped the tripod again. This is a bad quality video.
so happy and goodbye.
Okay guys, if you guys like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you out.